What if I told you, most marriages don't end because of cheating, or even money? They fade away, quietly. The silent killer isn't loud arguments, it's neglect. The missed eye contact. The hug you didn't give. The moments when your partner needed your presence, and you were too distracted. But the good news? Stopping this slow fade doesn't require grand gestures. It takes small, daily actions anyone can do. Picture this. Emily and Mark have been married for 12 years. They love each other deeply, but life has gotten busy. Kids, careers, bills. At first, it was little things. Mark stopped saying, "Good morning." Emily no longer waited up for him after work. They didn't fight. They just stopped connecting. One night, Mark came home, and Emily was on the couch scrolling through her phone. He sat beside her. No words. No glance. Just silence. And here's the dangerous part, neither of them thought it was a big deal. But day by day, that silence built a wall between them. A wall taller than any argument could ever make. This is how most marriages drift apart, not in one dramatic explosion, but in a slow, quiet erosion. So how do you stop it? Here are 7 small but powerful habits that can protect your marriage from neglect. Hack 1, the 6-second kiss every day. Share a kiss that lasts 6 seconds. Not a peck, not a rushed goodbye. 6 full seconds. Research shows it builds intimacy and lowers stress, and it reminds your partner, "I choose you." Hack 2, eye contact check-in. Put down the phone. Look your partner in the eyes. Even for just 1 minute. It says, "You matter to me." Neglect often begins when we stop truly seeing each other. Hack 3, the silent hug. When words don't work, try the silent hug. Just hold your partner for 20 seconds. Long hugs release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, calming both of you after stress. Hack 4, say thank you out loud. Gratitude is a love language. Don't just assume they know you appreciate them. Say, "Thank you for making dinner. Thank you for working so hard." These little acknowledgments stop love from feeling invisible. Hack 5, the 10-minute daily talk. No phones. No TV. Just 10 minutes face to face. Ask, "How was your day?" Listen. Really listen. It's not about problem solving. It's about being present. Hack 6, small touches. Hold hands in the car. Touch their arm when you walk past. Rest your hand on their back. These micro gestures keep connection alive. Hack 7, protect rituals. Protect little rituals that belong only to you two. Saturday morning coffee. Evening walks. Praying together before bed. These rituals become anchors, no matter how busy life gets. Neglect is sneaky, because it doesn't hurt at first. But it's the silence that makes couples feel like strangers. The truth is, you don't need more money, or a second honeymoon, to fix it. You just need small, daily reminders that love is still alive. Emily and Mark eventually realized, it wasn't the big problems tearing them apart. It was the little things they stopped doing. When they brought those small gestures back, their marriage began to feel alive again. Love doesn't die overnight. It dies when we stop showing up in the small ways. So don't wait for a crisis. Protect your marriage with simple daily gestures. Because love is built in the details. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more marriage and relationship hacks. And tell me in the comments, which of these 7 habits will you try first?